Narrated Aisha. Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's Messenger, "O Allah's Messenger, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you?" Allah's Messenger replied, "Sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says." Aisha added, "Verily I saw the Prophet being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over." Reference book, Sahih al-Bukhari, 1 Hadith 2. Lesson from this Hadith. This Quran was revealed with great weight. Treat it with great love. Knowledge came through hardship. Honor it with action.